Hi, how are you? How are you?
Are you making videos?
Yeah, just a little bit of vlogging going on, just for YouTube and stuff like that.
Okay, because somebody called in about your driving.
Oh, okay. I'll just finish up.
Your license and insurance?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you have a female in here or something?
I did, yeah. She was just filming. She's my girlfriend. She's just over there. But yeah, we're just doing.
Still filming? She's waiting.
No,
for you
no. She's done. She's done. Yeah.
Where is she?
She's just over on the street there.
Waiting for you?
Yeah. But I'm done. We're just doing a little bit of sounds, sights and sounds.
So
stuff
she's
like
just standing there waiting for you now?
Yeah. Yeah. So there's the license is in my wallet. Yeah, it's just YouTube stuff, you know, just documentation and stuff like that.
No, I get it. I'm a car person, but when it gets to the point that people are calling and complaining about your driving, then...
Okay, that's understandable, yeah.
I'll give that back to you. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, babe, just hold tight. I just got pulled over. Just hold tight. I'll be right there.
Pulled over by what?
By the police. Just hold up, because somebody apparently complained about the driving.
Holy shit. Okay.
It's okay. Just sit tight. I'll be there soon.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Just give this back to you. Okay, I'm not going to give you a ticket or anything, because like the driving I saw was fine, but obviously someone called in and complained. They gave us your marker, so just drive carefully.
Yeah,
quietly.
100%.
Okay? And go pick up your girlfriend.
Okay. You guys have a great day. Eh? Thanks a lot. See you.